Fire safety training for your team. It's either an exciting hands-on role play covering a range of emergency situations where firefighting theory is channeled into practice, or it's a few hours scrolling through PowerPoint slides that'll be forgotten tomorrow. You obviously want effective training, so let's step through a dynamic Recovery Partners training session on fire safety. Following the theory sessions, your team will be exposed to simulated emergencies. It's how they react now that shows the difference between Recovery Partners fire safety training and simple classroom discussion. Is that fire safe to be extinguished? If yes, we follow CPAS. C. Check the exit. Make sure you have a clear escape route. P. Pull the pin and test the extinguisher. A. Aim at the base of the fire. S. Squeeze the trigger. S. Sweep from side to side in a controlled manner. Because we use a simulator, poor technique or incorrect choice of extinguisher mimics real-world consequences. The fire danger remains. Many laypeople don't know that different extinguishers are needed for different fires. It's one of the variables that we introduce to your team and reinforce through practical training. Recovery Partners extinguishers have the real feel, size, sound and weight of regular extinguishers. We have ABE, BE, wet chemical, CO2 and foam extinguishers. And importantly, we train your team to know what extinguishers to use and when. As you can see here, using incorrect technique or the wrong extinguisher will simply not be rewarded. Using a CO2 extinguisher on a Class A fire has a small effect, but the danger remains. Equally important is utilising the correct technique. This student has chosen the right extinguisher, an ABE for an electrical fire, but hasn't remembered to disconnect the power. Again, they're forced to accept that something hasn't worked and immediately problem solve to rectify the situation. That's a lesson simple theory could never deliver. It's the practical application of the wide scope of fire safety techniques that reinforce the lessons and embed the learning within your team. Ultimately, our training will make your workplace a safer environment and help keep your team safer overall. Talk to Recovery Partners on 1300 OHS WHS. That's 1300 647 789 to discuss customised fire safety training for your workplace.